President Volodymyr Zelensky has urged the International Criminal Court to bring Russia to justice for its invasion of Ukraine. His call came from the Soesterberg air base during his surprise visit to the Netherlands on Thursday. His remarks echoed his earlier demand in The Hague for the global community to hold Russian President Vladimir Putin accountable for his actions.
The work of your specialists, forensic experts, and who really help to investigate Russian war crimes and collect necessary evidence to bring them to the main thing, to justice. All this brings our victory closer, our common victory.
In March, the ICC issued an arrest warrant for Putin for war crimes, accusing him of personal responsibility for the abductions of children from Ukraine. In Kyiv, Russian forces conducted more nightly air raids in response over what Moscow says was a drone attack on the Kremlin carried out on Wednesday. In addition, the Ukrainian Air Force said it was forced to down one of its own drones that lost control over the capital on Thursday evening. A fragment is thought to have started a fire in a shopping center. Meanwhile, in Moscow, rehearsals are underway for the main military parade celebrating victory in World War II. It will still go ahead as expected, despite the claims that President Putin has been the target of the drones flying over the Kremlin.